One pill makes you larger, and one pill makes you small. And the ones that mother gives you don't do anything at all. Go chasing rabbits.
Purple haze and acid raindrops. Spike the punch at the party and drink pop. Found Chance the Rapper at the after hours, wearing the Toronto Raptors jersey up at Drake's spot. Feeling wavy nowadays, my brain's gone. Colors keep on changing and they ain't stop. Lean over the sink, get my face washed, I'm too hot. Even in the winter wearing tank tops and Tupac.
One pill makes you larger, and one pill makes you small. And the ones that mother gives you don't do anything at all. Go chasing rabbits.
Chasing rabbits, playing Madden in the Jason mask, taking dabs in the forsaken land, waving a Mason flag. No, I'm just talking hella gibberish, and that's not a reference to Easy, little bitch. So take a hike and put acid tabs in your maxi pads, cop a fanny pack and act like half these cats who battle rap. My tune's dope, heavy haymakers like sumos. This verse is Vinny pads with a semi-mag and a doom flow. I'm out of here.
One pill makes you larger, and one pill makes you small. And the ones that mother gives you don't do anything at all. Go chasing rabbits.
Watch your step, you might trip into your feelings. Devil's paint dripping from the ceilings. I get high for science, Lucy in the sky with diamonds. I've been chasing rabbits, tasting taps to try and find it. Now there's gloom in my eyes. Never mind, I think the room's come alive. It's a feeling only you can describe when the lewds and the loose seeing music alive.
One